Hey there, people. How's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Pan Pacific eyeglass storage set. Yeah, now I think if you have like a, expensive pair of glasses, even it don't have to be sunglasses or anything like that. It could just be a pair of glasses that cost a great deal of money, like, some prescription glasses can run you a lot. For people who actually have a pair of glasses that they don't want ruined or hurt in any way, they go out and get a case to put them in. I have a pair of sunglasses that were given to me as a gift that I like to keep protected, and that's basically what I use this for. It's a eyeglass case. It's a case that comes along with this, which I don't use. It's a string that you can tie to the ends of your glasses to wear it around your neck or, anything like that. So, you can just have them hanging or dangling or something like that. But I don't really use these. I haven't never used this part. But this is the case. And the case is very plush inside. It's really soft. And it really feels really good. You can tell that by using it. When you put your glasses in there, it's not going to scratch or do anything to your glasses. It's going to keep them nice and protected and without any kind of harm. This is the rag, cloth, I should say, that it comes with. And this is used to wipe the lenses from your glasses. Any smudges or dust or whatever pretty much comes off with this, and before I put on my glasses, I always want to make sure they're nice and clean and not blurry, like any kind of stains that I might have put on there, or even like droplets of water that might be coming from somewhere, who knows. But yeah, I like to wipe it off with this cloth, which is pretty handy. Yeah, and this case is pretty nice. It locks down pretty nice. Okay, if you close it like this, you'll see that it has like a rim around the edge of it. It's clear, and not clear, but the edge of it is kind of has a metallic edge. It's kind of goldish. Yeah, and you open this by using this lever here, right here, and it slides back and forth, releasing the lock. Yeah, so glasses fit nicely in here and stay protected very, very well. And you hear that click, it's in there nice and snug, right? So I like this. I like it a lot. I used to just keep my sunglasses in just a pouch, and it had like a drawstring on it, and it was kind of flashy, and it was a shiny black pouch, and I had like a little suede one also that I used to use. But I accidentally had an accident with them, and they were an expensive pair of glasses too. If you can believe it or not, I accidentally sat on them. Yeah, it was dark and it was in the seat, and I didn't know the seat of my car, and I didn't know that my glasses were there. I couldn't see them, so they were there, and I sat down and I heard crunch, and the glasses got broken because all it was is a pouch, right? So since that happened, I got this, and this holds my sunglasses. Yeah, so I can sit on this, I can do whatever. I'm not going to damage this. I really have to try hard to do any kind of damage to this case. It's pretty tough. You sit on this, it's not gonna budge unless you weigh like about 600 pounds or something. Yeah, but it protects your glasses very well, and it's very economical, very, very inexpensive. And this rag that it comes with works really nice too. It gets all the smudges off. I like it a lot. Now this string, you can use it if you want to, but I don't find a real need for it. I can see people that might, use something like this, but nah, not me. Okay, Well, we've been talking about the Pan Pacific eyeglass storage case. Okay, well, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. Okay, bye-bye.